Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. After understanding the mega projects coming up in the various states of West Bengal, Assam, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, our ship has tentatively reached the shores of gorgeous Goa. Before we move ahead and explore more about this coastal state, if you're new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the like button. Now, as we go forward, let us understand the various beautiful attributes of the state of Goa, which brings the state into every traveler's bucket list. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as the Konkan and geographically separated from the Deccan Highlands by the Western Ghats. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to the east and south, with the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. Being India's smallest state by area, Goa is the fourth smallest by population throughout the country. The coastal region is visited by a large number of international and domestic tourists each year because of its white sand beaches, active nightlife, places of worship, and World Heritage listed architecture. Moreover, it also has rich flora and fauna because it lies on the Western Ghats range, which is a biodiversity hotspot. Hence, Goa adds its exotic aroma to any traveler's visit, making his or her tour memorable without a shade of doubt. On that note, in the next 5 minutes, let us analyze the top 5 mega projects coming up in the iconic state of Goa, which has the capacity to change the landscape of the state. To make it more interesting, we will move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. So, first up in this list is the New Zuari Bridge. The New Zuari Bridge is an ambitious 1,403 crore project funded by the Union Ministry for Road Transport and Highways. The New Zuari Bridge project is a 4-lane road which will begin near the Bambolin Cross on the northern end and lead up to Varna Industrial Estate, covering 13.7 km. Work on the project began in October 2016 and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari first announced that the bridge would be ready for use before schedule by January 2019. However, it was delayed due to various obvious compulsions. As far as the recent updates are concerned, the PWD Minister of the state of Goa said that after completion of construction of the bridge, dredging will be done of the mud filling which has been carried out during the work in Kottalim on the left-hand side of the Zuari Bridge. He further confirmed that one of the lanes will be completed by the end of 2021. The second in this list is the much sought after mega project, which is the Mopa International Airport. Mopa International Airport is an under construction greenfield airport being built at Mopa in Pernem Taluka, that is in North Goa district in the state of Goa. GMR Goa International Airport Limited along with other prominent stakeholders will develop the airport. The rupees 3,000 crore airport will be built under the BOT model, which is the Build Operate Transfer model, in 4 phases, with the first phase costing a total of rupees 1,500 crore. It was expected to be completed by financial year 2019 and 2020 but has been delayed to 2022 due to a Supreme Court order that impeded work on site. The central government had given its in-principle approval for a second airport in the state of Goa as early as March 2000. However, the project was stuck for 14 years due to land acquisition issues and local litigation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the project on 13th November 2016. In January 2017, the Goa government declared an area within 5 km radius of the airport as Mopa International Airport Planning Area for the purpose of regulating growth near the project area. After the completion of 4 years since the laying down of foundation stone took place, Mopa International Airport is on the verge of completion. It is set to be inaugurated in the mid of June 2022. The third in this high-profile list is the 2 IT parks coming up near the city of Panjim. Goa government has approved setting up 2 information technology parks in North Goa that are expected to create employment in the IT sector. The IT parks will come up at Chimbil and Penha de Franca villages, both bordering Panaji. The Penha de France project is a hybrid IT park under the Goa Information Technology Development Act 2007. The integrated IT township would be set up on an area measuring 4 lakh square meters, while the hybrid IT park will come up at an area of 12,455 square meters of land. The Chimbil IT project is an integrated IT township which will address future demands of IT infrastructure. Both information technology parks would provide a steady supply of employment opportunities besides being specifically geared towards the need of the IT sector. Talking about its completion deadline, as more and more investments chip in, the IT sector will start finding its feet in the state of Goa. Now, the second in this high octane list is the extravagant electronic city planned up near the state capital. The electronic city will come up in close to 6 lakh kilometer at a cost of rupees 161.3 crore. The Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has already given the final approval for the Greenfield project and has promised a grant in aid of rupees 73.8 crore. The center has already released the first installment of 12.4 crore, which is 16.85% of the grant in aid sanctioned by MeitY. The state government has also transferred an amount of rupees 14.7 crore as a proportionate contribution. Though the state cabinet has approved a land allotment policy for the electronic manufacturing cluster at 2M village in Pernam Taluka, the special purpose vehicle that will help set up and administer the ESDM park is yet to be set up. The policy will empower the cabinet to decide on allotment of land for big or mega projects without auction on a case-to-case basis upon the recommendation of a screening committee. It is envisaged that the park will provide a steady supply of employment opportunities besides being specifically geared towards the need of the IT and electronic design and manufacturing sector. It will profoundly boost the economic growth of the region. Moreover, it will ensure huge employment opportunities for the local youth. Talking about its completion date, it may get settled down by the end of 2024. The first which is positioned in this high profile list is the solar based electrification of rural areas where transmission lines is not possible due to geographic limitations. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant launched solar based electrification program for rural households in the state. This project will bring electricity through renewable energy to areas in Goa where grid connectivity is not feasible. With a focus on delivering clean, affordable and reliable energy to all, this project will lead to a robust change in the lifestyle of the ordinary citizens of the state as their lives will lit up as the sun melts down after the evening. The solar PV based home lighting systems for households was inaugurated only 2 days after the agreement was signed between Convergence Energy Services Limited and Goa Energy Development Agency in Goa. It is expected that the mega project will be taken on a mission mode and every rural household will get electrified before the end of 2022. Apart from the Goa-Mumbai highway, plenty of other tourism scaling projects are underway like new ferry and exotic cruises. The jetty will offer safe, hassle-free transportation to the tourists. Moreover, the Government of India has approved setting up of 2 concrete floating jetties on river Mandovi to connect Old Goa and Panjim. Now, as we have reached the end of this video, one can guarantee that Goa is all set to walk on the turf of development and emerge as an important cog in India's economic machinery. Amazing state of Karnataka. Thank you for watching this video.